Oh my God. Hey, hey, hey. We have Rachel over here. This is beautiful Rachel. Say hello, Rachel.
Hey, Wagwan.
Oh my God.
Yo, I'm gonna score live. Please, please, guys, try the food. Bud, you're not gonna start.
Wow, the road. Wow, the road, man. That's it.
Yeah, people. So, breakfast is finished. Yay. Oh my God, yeah. I get a review from them people that they heard me talking. Say I'm not going to disturb them. But remember, I know people tell a friend about your Rasta Chef service. You understand? Oh my God. Yeah, it is really cool this morning. So, I don't need no next call. Yay.
Well, probably for the last day. She passed away.
Yeah. And you know that we're here again at Tranquil Times Villa in St. Mary. Yeah? Looks like 1 5 minute drive out of Old Trail. See, get your view. Y'all see that? Yeah, good it. In the morning. Say in the morning now, you know say, I never get to go and show no what I was preparing while I was cooking it, alright? Yay! Oh my God! This is my cousin, alright? Yeah. Say hello. Rastafari, last name. But breakfast is ready. Could it? Yeah, but because the table is too small, you know what I'm saying? So I have to put some food them at different part of place. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So don't bash one, alright? We got this is gluten-free fried chicken, alright? So we have some gluten-free wings, alright? Here we have some steamed aloo with some carrot, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have a nice fruit platter over there for some grape, yeah? And some cantaloupe, alright? Yay! Oh my God. Yeah, and over here so now we have a oh my God pancake. Yeah, this is actually a gluten-free pancake. Yeah, gluten-free banana pancake. Oh my God, look on that, and some more wings. I know so I'm a famous mimosa juice. Oh my God. Yeah, some nice scrambled eggs. Alright, and this is breakfast for 6. Yeah. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in booking my service, all you gotta do is send me an email. Yeah. And tell a friend about this personal chef service, alright? So we're going to watch you and we have some lot of activity to do. And I'll keep you all posted, alright? Yeah, link to this location will be in the description, alright? That one. So, in the town, that man tell them couldn't get you there. Yeah, chat. Oh my, yeah, so so where they are tranquility time villa. Yeah. You might have to go out and my jacket down outside. I'll adventure time. But the place hot. So, tranquility. Now very nice. Let's see what we can say again. Welcome. Tranquility times. We are going down and watch it on right now. You know what I say? Yeah, remember if you have not hit that subscribe button, do hit the subscribe button. So come in, we're gonna have some fun and watch it on, alright? Yeah. Oh my God, let's go.
No joke. Get so far, I can't see a thing. That man tell you, no joke. That man tell you here. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna post to them. No joke. That's so we say, you think?
He blessed your voices. Yeah.
So Lord, thank you for the season, thank you for the man, thank you for the food, thank you for the love and the company, the spirit of living, and we pray,
Oh my God! Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. Yeah. Who is that? Yeah.
Stars.
Yeah, people saying one say, oh, we're gonna go to my cookie people and breakfast and early morning. Yeah, you know, so they are tranquil at times, be like, yeah, all the way in St. Mary. You understand? No joke, yeah. So, let's go cookie people and breakfast, alright? When time I start cooking, tell them what that makes sense. Yeah, makes sense? Alright, come in. So, catch the view. That's early morning. early morning, you know, so I did the right thing. Catch a view, people. Yeah, I'll joke about it today. Catch a view, early morning. Seaside, ocean view. Yeah, man. So, you know, it's like you're here cooking for 6 people. Yeah, and we'll be heading back to Montego Bay today. Yeah. So, for our menu breakfast for this morning, we'll be doing some nice yard toast, and I'm saying, so we'll do a nice mango chicken sauce. Also a fruit platter. Yeah. Some bacons and some bread sachets. And I say, yeah, man. Some good things, them. All of the good things, them. Yeah. So remember, if you had not hit that subscribe button, please do hit that subscribe button, alright? Yeah. Alright.
Yes, I don't know what's here. Welcome to the episode. So here right now, so I can see the mango chicken sauce. What is it from the power yard? This is nice and I'm friend. Then without and then go some chicken and chicken wing then. So yeah, because I'm jumping before. Remember anything that I think that I can be experienced and yeah, drop the in the pot. Alright, so read my go start put the dumpling in the cool oil because you're gonna be soaked in well nice, you know, and you're gonna be golden and pretty and soft and juicy on the inside. Yeah, the seed that. So we're making the seed finish food up in the time of listen. And then the first watch, I will eat one together. Oh my god. Yeah. So now it like I don't get any pot. I will make it as well. Yeah, it's a good day. It's a nice Sunday day here today in the middle of St. Mary. You understand, on the battle side. You understand, even though we're not fighting no battles right now. That's me. Look at my view. Oh my god. Catch my view from the kitchen, ladies and gentlemen, yeah? Then when I have them view here, I just want to do the right thing. And I look at my view in the kitchen. Oh my god. Remember, link to this location is in the description, right? Yeah, don't do the right thing. If you're not subscribe, please subscribe, man. See some good things there. So, man. So now I'm gonna drop in the wings then. Yeah. I give them some gluten-free wings. But gluten-free, I did say yes, yesterday we did a nice brunch, early morning brunch breakfast. Feel gluten-free, only some gluten-free banana pancakes, and they loved it. And I'm saying some gluten-free wings, so like this and like this, and I did the right thing, right? So let's go. Let's play on the pot on that on the top in my eye. Yeah? Yeah. And that of course, make it as just a spicy. And got in there in the night. And I'm saying, yeah. I'm gonna grab one. Can't touch me. Can't touch me. You can't touch. Okay, can't touch. Show them everything. Okay. See that? So now I can turn my dumpling. See that? Yeah. See that? Real nice. Yeah, alright. Getting apart. Good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so yeah. Shake off the wing. Drop it in me. The wings. Alright. So I'm going to pour it and put it down with it. That's a good, right, that's a good kick. Alright. Yeah.
not fried double too. Love fried. Alright, so I'm gonna eat some more, right? Thank you, more right. Right. Just now go over with what one right one. Alright. Thank you so much. Star say hello. True.
Oh my god.
Alright, so I want to say, I don't want to say, oh, we finished breakfast now. Alright, so this is our finished product. Okay. We have our gluten-free chicken. We have some nice mimosa. You don't know that's my signature drink. Yeah, we have some nice barbecue, spicy, turkey, oh my god, hey, you know, we have Rachel over here. You know, this is beautiful Rachel. Say hello, Rachel.
Hey, wagwan.
Oh my god. Yay. So Rachel was the host that booked my service, you know, to cook for lovely people, you know. So how was everything throughout your stay?
Everything was so delicious. Chef Mary is amazing and so much fun to work with. We really enjoyed our taste buds. Got exactly what they were looking for when we came to Jamaica. That was the most, like, Kayla can tell you, the thing that I was most excited about was the food, and you did not disappoint.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so nice. Thank you so much. Alright, peaceful joy to your vacation, alright?
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh my god. So, you know, we've been providing service for these beautiful ladies, you know, and gentlemen. Oh my god. Empress, do you mind telling my viewers how was your meal
It
drug?
was so good, absolutely delicious. Chef Mary made so many, there was a bug, so many tasty meals for us, like, no complaints.
Oh my god. Would you book my service again?
Yes, I would.
Oh my god, thank you so much.